Namaste, welcome to Sasreka's kitchen. Today I am making garlic butter. We all know that garlic is a natural antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-hypertensive, anti-carcinogenic, antifungal, antiviral, antioxidant. As an Indian family, we use garlic a lot to flavor our food. You have to eat raw garlic if you want to enjoy the full benefits. Raw garlic is very hard to eat because it is very strong, but if you make it into a butter, it's very easy to eat and you will really enjoy. Garlic butter is a delicious way. I also made a garlic raita recipe, which is also a good way to use garlic in a therapeutic way. Please do watch that video. I will give the link below. To make garlic butter, I took some garlic, peeled and chopped, and I softened 3 sticks of butter in the microwave. I added olive oil to garlic to make it into a fine paste. Also added a pinch of salt and a pinch of turmeric powder. I added the garlic paste to my softened butter. And mixed it well. I added more olive oil to my garlic butter to make good consistency. I also added 1 tablespoon of dried basil leaves. This is optional. If you don't like, you don't have to. But I like the combination of basil and garlic. So I am adding it. After blending all these together, I feel like I needed more butter to this. So I added 1 more stick of butter and blended together. I softened this butter also before I add it. So altogether I used 1 pound of butter. You can always increase or decrease the quantity of butter and garlic for your preference. Garlic butter will be excellent to eat with bread toast. You can also put it on your dosa and idli, and you can use it in whichever way you want. Let me know what is your favorite way to use garlic butter. I hope this video is helpful to many people. Let me know if it is helpful to you. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Also visit my Telugu channel and try some of those recipes. I will give the links below.